scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Inflation expectations can flip this Phillips curve question fast. So watch this quick breakdown of what changes, what shifts, and why option D wins. In the Phillips curve model, first separate movement from shift, because the question is about changing inflationary expectations, not sliding to a new point from demand conditions alone. When inflationary expectations increase, workers expect higher prices, so they push for higher wages, and firms facing higher costs raise prices at every unemployment level. That matters. That adjustment shifts the short-run Phillips curve rightward, not the long-run curve, or just along the same curve, so the correct choice is D. Well done. Option D. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs and movement ideas. The rule is trust what is given and check steps.